Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings because the first step is to activate the developer options. So let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now we have to enter the version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings and enter additional settings. Now let's tap on developer options, and here from this step we have to swipe a little bit to find automatic system updates, and as you can see this option is disabled in my case, so all we have to do in order to turn it on is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you do not really need to do anything manually. Your device will remember about the updates. You have to only remember about restarting it. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.